everyone, welcome to mathematics tutorials. Today we will discuss on how to find the area of the standard normal distribution between the given z-score. So for example, find the area between z equals -2 and z equals -1.5. So mag-base tayo sa z table, yung value ng z -2, that is corresponds to 0.447, and ang z -1.5 corresponds to 0.4332. So tingnan natin yung z table natin. Pag ang z natin or z value natin is 2, so meaning that is 2.00, so that is 2.00. So itong 2.0 and ito yung 0.0. So the value of z is 0.422 or 4772. So that is the value of z equals to 2. So ang area niya is 0.4772, and yung -1.5, ito -0.5, so the same lang area yan sa positive, that is 0.4332. So find the area between the z value. So tingnan natin. So pag ito yung standard normal curve, ito assume lang ha na straight ito. So pag ito yung standard normal curve, okay, ito yung center. So half of this curve is 50%, 50%, and this one is 50%. Ayan. Total nito is 100%, or that is equivalent to 1. So dito yung positive 1, positive 2, this is positive 3, and this is negative 1, negative 2, and this is negative 3. Tingnan natin, yung z value natin is negative 2. Saan ba natin makita yung negative 2? So on the left side, so dito negative 2. So itong area na to, this area is negative 2, and yung z negative 1.5, saan natin makita? So this half of this between negative 2, see dito. So ang area na hinahanap natin is in between negative 2 and negative 1.5. So ito lang area na, oh. Ito lang area. So find the area between these two z value. So alam naman natin yung half of this curve is 50%. So unahin natin, ito yung gagawin natin. So tingnan natin yung value ng negative 2. So that is 0.472. I-subtract natin yan sa value ng negative 1.5. So that is 0.4332. So that is equivalent to 0. This one is 4. This is 4 ulit, and this is 0. So the area under the normal curve between negative 2 and negative 1, so that is equivalent to 0.0440, or that is equivalent to 4.40%. 4.40%. So ito na yung area natin na hinanap in between negative 2 and negative 1.5. Tandaan, pag ang given z value natin is negative, ito, tandaan natin, negative, ang sagot niyan, or ang gagawin nyo, you need to subtract. Ito, subtract. How about positive and positive? So, ang value natin is positive and positive. So, anong gagawin nyo to find the area? So, you need to subtract ulit. How about negative and positive? So, you need to add the area. And positive and negative ulit. So, you need to add the area. So, that is positive. In finding the areas under the normal curve between the z score. So, for example, if we have positive 1, when z is positive 1, and z is negative 1, so find the area. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is ito, we will make a normal curve. So, ito. So, this one is positive 1, this one is negative 1. So, itong area na ang hinahanap natin. Area. Negative 1 and positive 1. So, itong area na ang hinahanap natin. Between negative 1, this is negative 1, this is positive 1. So, ang gagawin natin, we will find using the z table kung ano yung value ng 1. So, ang 1 is, that is equivalent to ito, and 0, 0. So, ito, 1. So, that is 0.3413. So, 0.3413. So, this is equivalent to 0.3413, and this one is also 0.3413. So, find the area between z, negative 1 and positive 1. So, anong gagawin natin? Tingnan natin yung sign, difference. Negative and positive, so you need to add their area. So, i-add lang natin ito and this one. So, magiging 3413. That is 0.34 yan ha. Then 0.3413. I-add natin yan. That is 6, 2, 8, and 6. So that is the total area when z is negative 1, and between negative 1 and positive 1, or that is equivalent to 68.26%. Okay, so that is how to find the areas under the normal curve between the given z score. So, number 1, between negative 2 and negative 1.5, the total area is 4.40%, or that is 0.0440. And when z is negative 1 to positive 1, the total area is 68.26%, or that is 0.6828. Tandaan, ito lang yung sign na tandaan natin. Given z value. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.